Hi from healthvideos A to Z.com in Bali and Singapore. Some people find cannabis helps them, but then loses much of its effect because they develop a tolerance to it. And to overcome that tolerance, they have to take too much cannabis. And there are some places and times when they want cannabis effects but aren't allowed to smoke. BacNal gives similar effects to cannabis, is not addictive, so you don't develop a tolerance to it, and you can take doses in seconds, anywhere, anytime, from a pocket powder medicine dispenser. And powder on the tongue works almost as quickly as smoking and much quicker than anything you have to swallow. So a BacNal pocket powder medicine dispenser is a great backup or alternative to marijuana cannabis. Always carry the pocket dispenser and learn by trial and error how many doses and how often are best in different situations. Start with BacNal 3 doses, which are baclofen 3 milligrams, a calming, relaxing medicine that also cuts drug craving, mixed with a 3/4 milligram microdose of naltrexone, which briefly cuts heroin, addictive, painkiller, and alcohol craving and effects, and boosts brain and gland production of feel-good endorphin chemicals. BacNal works better than separate doses of baclofen and naltrexone, and is simpler, quicker, and costs less than 2 separate medicines. To boost endorphins by 250 to 300% for 24 hours, take 1 dose of BacNal in the evening and increase by 1 dose daily up to 8 doses. Then continue however many doses make you feel best next morning. It's usually 4 to 6 doses. With baclofen and high endorphins, you need less and less cannabis, which reduces your tolerance to cannabis, so it works better. And when the dose is low enough, you can easily quit it if that's what you want. When you've found how many doses of BacNal 3 work best for you, fewer doses of double-strength BacNal 6 or quadruple-strength BacNal 12 may be more convenient and are even lower cost. To find which other videos and medicines will help you most, do the 10-minute What I Want Need checklist at healthvideos A to Z.com and read its instant report, which is based on the wants needs you chose the highest scores for. I developed powder medicine and pocket powder medicine dispensers so people could very conveniently carry their medicines everywhere. Get a pocket powder medicine dispenser and use it like this. You can then take doses in seconds, anytime, anywhere, just when needed on your tongue, where it gives relief in 15 minutes. That cuts suffering, relapses, and the amount of medicine needed. I was a family doctor for 46 years, caring for many people with mental health and addiction problems. Then had a busy drug and alcohol clinic for 5 years where my team and I treated over 5,000 alcoholics and addicts in over 40,000 consultations. We got far better results when we saw addicts early and treated their mental health problems and addictions at the same time, which is called dual diagnosis. We also found the sooner we saw a person after they developed a problem, the quicker and more easily we could help them, the more completely better they got, and the less likely they were to relapse. So I focused on developing ways to avoid waiting lists and to enable troubled people to get help earlier. And what worked best were online videos and checklists, simple self-help mind-body workouts, and powder on the tongue medicines in pocket powder medicine dispensers. See the video, The Fix Suffering Early, Simply and Safely System at healthvideos A to Z.com. Please watch this video several times and go to its text at healthvideos.com and click on links of interest. If possible, spend 10 minutes now at healthvideos.com doing the What I Want Need checklist. The checklist instant report explains which videos, medicines and counselling therapy most help the particular wants and needs for which you chose the highest scores. healthvideos@gmail.com have contact details for suppliers of low-priced pocket powder medicine dispensers worldwide. From international Bali and Singapore, I'm keen to pass on helpful information to distressed people and their carers anywhere in the world. Please leave comments and questions below. Best wishes and good luck from healthvideos.com and the Fix Suffering Early, Simply and Safely system.